OnePlus launched the OnePlus 15T in China earlier this year, known as the OnePlus 13s in India. A new leak has surfaced online revealing details of its successor, the OnePlus 15T. OnePlus is currently preparing to release its flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 15. The device to be introduced in China in October. This could be the first ever look at the OnePlus 15T, last phone on the right. OnePlus 15T feature a 6.3-inch screen. Feature an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The smartphone is tipped to have a metal frame. The OnePlus 15T is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset and will also power the standard OnePlus 15. Another notable change is the addition of a third rear camera. The 15T have a triple camera setup, a battery of over 7,000 mAh. The leaker also suggests that the OnePlus 15T will be released between March and April next year. The phone may be rebranded as the OnePlus 15s. While global pricing remains unclear, a US launch at around $600 could make the 15T a serious contender. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.